Hey, this is Sam. Welcome to my digital review channel. Today I'm going to talk about the very special software that is a lifetime deal. You may have a chance to get that with the lifetime deal before it's closed. And two things I want to mention. First, I always review only products that are real products, not the garbage products. Since 2008, I bought myself thousands of garbage softwares that never I could use it. And the second thing is that I only review the products that I purchased and use by myself. Welcome to my channel, and let's go start. Guys, this is Sam. Today I'm going to talk about the software that you can create the amazing pictures and graphics for e-commerce websites. Also, this is for graphic designers that specifically wants to create the graphic and the pictures and graphic design for e-commerce and online stores. Now, I'm talking about the Glorify. Recently, Glorify is going to launch the Glorify 2.0. I have access to the Glorify 2.0 earlier, so I'm just going to show you very fast and very short about the what is it about and how you can use that in your graphic designs. Before that, I just want to mention, as always, I just review the softwares that definitely I checked before, and I know that they are working and they are not fake. During on the internet market since 2008, and I see a lot of garbage products I purchased by myself, thousands of them, and I know that not too much good products you can find among these thousands of different garbage products. But anyway, I'm just going to show you this how it works. So the first thing is that you have a dashboard. You have different elements that you can use as a categories. So there are lots of categories here, as you see, and when you click on each category, you can see different options with the how you can make for advertising. For Amazon, for example, the format is here. For the Facebook, they have 3 formats for advertising. For Instagram, 2 formats: Snapchat, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Woo, WordPress, and Google. Also for the headers on emails, you can use even the Shopify is here, and HD banner and the HD panorama, and there are lots of them here. You can see, I mean, finding one software that can create the graphic specifically for e-commerce and online shopping, to have all these options is very rare. In fact, the Glorify is the first in this way. I mean, in the sense of the creating specifically for e-commerce, purpose. So now it's a Magneto, it's a BigCommerce, and as you see, even with the lead pages, Insta pages, Convertry, all of them are here. WordPress, you can see incoming, and even the MailChimp. And on the page content is the same, as you can see here. Now, one of the things that I like, it is the way that you can use different comparison image or the call out image. So I'm just going to show you this one very shortly. So you can see that you can compare different products. As here, you can change, you can filter by the niche if you want. There are the niche, and you can see only a specific niche. For example, let's say for kitchen, you can see only the templates that they are specifically created for the kitchen. Now you can change any color, any picture here. The other things that is coming up with this Glorify is the logo maker and background remover. So with the background remover, you can add or upload any pictures you want, and you can remove instantly. When I say instantly, it is really instantly. So you can do it very fast and instantly. You can remove the all the backgrounds on that. So I just want to show you one of these things here with this one, and just want to try to see if I can show you how it works. So let's say just clicking, one moment. So let's say I just select this one, right? And I just go here and let me see if it is. Okay, it's loading. So as you see, just by one click, it is the background is removed. So whenever you have let's say some item that you want to sell and you want to change the background, you can do that. After, you can even add another background if you want for that, and this is the way it's working. The other thing that I just want to let you know that is this Shopify 2.0, it is going to be a lifetime deal soon. So I do suggest to click on the link below of this video. So there is a link that you can sign in for waiting list, and once this is launched, before launch, you will be informed about the launch day, and if you want to purchase, you can do that. Now the normal price with the Glorify is the annual plan for Pro plan with only 100 BG remover credit is $119.88 per year, right? But in case of lifetime deal, you will have access for unlimited background remover credit. I think that's just by this software as an unlimited plan, as I'm showing you here, that if you look at my background here, you will see that I have a unlimited, right? You will have an unlimited creating brand. Let's say you have different brands, you have a customer that with the different brands, so you can create unlimited brands with the each brand has their own graphics and softwares, and you can use how many brands you have, you can use, no problem on that. You can export or create the projects also unlimited. Now as a template, you can use different templates here. I just want to go with the all of the templates to show you some of these templates here, so you can see. When I see here view all, this is not all of the backgrounds, but it's just a Facebook cover. I'm just going to show you, as you see here, these are the Facebook covers. Something was freeze my screen. I do apologize for that. So let me go with the template. So I just want to show you the template. So if I click on view all, see, this is one of the examples of, from just one item, how many different format you can create. And as you see here, so just keep in mind that this is only lifetime deal is coming, and if you want to have this software for a lifetime deal, I do suggest to get it, because after that we'll be back to the normal price. As you come later, you may not find the software as a lifetime deal, and definitely this is one of the softwares that I know that the Glorify team put lots of efforts and time and money to create this, and the support is amazing. um, I can tell you some of the supports, but people who will join the lifetime deal, they will see what I'm talking about, and you will see amazing support from the Glorify for your business that is unseen in any other product until now. Now, if you have any question about the software, any question, you can contact me on the our Facebook group that I'm going to put on the description. So you can contact me there, and if you have any question, I will be more than happy to answer your question if I know. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.